What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today I have a day trading recap for you. We traded stock ZSAN that as of right now is up 92%. Check out what I did. I wasn't even going to trade today, but I saw it on my scan and I actually didn't get to my desk until I think a little bit after 10 or so, or right before 10, more or less. And I brought it up and I liked what I saw when I saw it down here. Where was it, Jesse? In the, yeah, right here at, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, right here at 285, and in the 285 area. And I wanted to buy that area, but I was waiting for it to confirm, but it took off really quickly without me. So I just sat back and waited, and I started to pay attention to the volume. The volume on this stock was really crazy because it kept increasing and increasing and increasing, and it gave me confidence when I saw that volume to kind of jump in for some, like it would break out and I'd buy like a little flash pullback and just scalp those moves. And that's what I did, just scalp these moves on it because the volume that I saw, each breakout had bigger and bigger and bigger volume. And when we busted through its 200 day on the daily, that was my last trade there. Actually, I sold some in front of the 200 day, and then when we busted through it, there was some tops here at $4. Once we busted through the 200 day and through that $4, I decided to get long in here and scalp the move up to the 420s, just because there was some past resistance at the 430 areas. Let me bring out the other daily here. I'll show you. So you see here we have all these tops at $4, $3.90, $4. And then we actually had, where is it? Here it is. This top here in the 380s. See, 432, 438 in these areas here. See, 430. So my plan was on that second trade that I took, which I'll show you in a minute, was to take profit there in front of the 430. But what happened to me earlier was this 200 days right smack dab at 470. I had an order to get out at 470, and the stock hit 370. The stock hit 369 and started to turn back around. That's when I got out at 362 from my 352 entry. So I didn't want that to happen to me with that 430 area. So I got out a little bit early in the 420s. So I'll show you those here now in a second. This is my first trade, I think, is it? No. No, this is just a little bit ago, yeah. Once we kind of double topped. Let me get you that other trade here real quick. Which one is this one? Nope, that's the last one. Did two trades on it. Here we go. The very first one. See, look at the volume. Look at that volume. So it was perfectly fine. For me and the share size, I only had, as you can see, 250 shares just to scalp that quick little move up to the 200-day moving average, which I thought was acting like a magnet. You can see here I had an order at 370 ready to go, but see, it hits 369 and starts to pull back in. Once it did that, I got out of the way because we just tapped that 200-day. And oftentimes we've seen them tap the 200-day and then flush down kind of hard. Even though this volume was huge, it kind of spooks me, So I decide to get out of it once we don't really barrel on through and go on to real nice new highs. See, the high was 369, and we tapped that the high was 369 and the 200-day was 370. So it was a little nerve-wracking there, just because I didn't want to turn this into a loser. I stayed in it for a little while, but see, there I closed it. There I closed it off, and look how we pulled back a little bit, but not anything far. Honestly, I should have held on, because we do end up re-breaking. So here's the second trade on it. See, we already broke it. We huge volume again, biggest volume. So now I'm confident there, and I'm looking for that 430. I'm looking for it to get to 430. That was where I wanted to sell this small batch that I had. So we're just in there. We're seeing what's going on. Light volume. as it's pulling back in a little bit. It's still above my entry. It's always nice and comfortable once you're in a stock. And this is my average cost. I was in lower, but it factors in commissions. It's always nice when you get into a stock and you never see red on it. It kind of sucks when you see red on it, but it's part of the game, and sometimes slight little pullbacks and then pops. But it was nice to be in this and never be in the red, always being the stock being above my entry. So we started to push back up a little bit, and I think I closed it out right around here. Nope. Here we go. There. Once we made that new high there, I kind of closed it off right there and called it, a day. I'll show you my orders here in a second. Let's see here. Here we go. So 352, out 362, 409, out 424. So decent sized scalps, not bad at all. Some decent scalps there. And as we can see here, it's still pushing up to new highs. It pierced this. Look at that. Good Lord, it's going to go to $5, man. 488 is already the high of the day. Nice volume. God, it's such good volume profile still going on in this stock. Let's see here. Let's see what it does. Let's give it a minute or two. Real nice volume bar. Shorts are trapped in this thing, at least for now. It's not to say shorts might not take control later on today or tomorrow, but as of right now, shorts are trapped in this thing. It's up 118%. This was a short cover here because you had shorts short up here and short in here in this pivot point. Look what happens as soon as we get over 450, straight shot up to 488 high of the day on huge increase in volume. Again, biggest volume bar of the day on a 3-minute. Look here. Look at that volume bar. Biggest volume bar of the day. There we go. Let's see if that volume increases again. New highs, 490. There we go. Should make a new high now, maybe. There it is. It's coming. Nope. 490 again. I think it wants that $5 area. I mean, 490 is already pretty close to $5. $5 could hold up pretty strong. But damn, this thing is a monster today. Let's take a look at the daily here. Lots of wicks up here in this $5 area. Could prove to be, some strong resistance there. Oh, it looks like it might pull in a little bit here. I would not be surprised if this, taps the $5, and I would not be surprised at all if it got a $5 breakout, maybe after lunch. It might pull in now. Lunch is coming in. It might pull in now, maybe consolidate in this 450 to 420s, area. Maybe make a channel, consolidate, and then after lunch pop over 5. It's possible. We'll keep an eye on it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Learn something about these volume profiles. Just watch that volume. If that volume's increasing steadily, real nice big profiles, and each new high is on big increase in volume, it's kind of telling you that, hey, there's going to be a good possibility of an extension move. And that 200-day often acts like a magnet when you have volume like this. So let me know what you traded today and how did you do? Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Give the video a like if you like that live trading, and I'll catch you on the next one.